Hello lovies! Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a natural healthy homemade toothpaste for you guys. These are the ingredients that you're going to be needing for the specific recipe, and you're also going to need baking soda and activated charcoal. First, you're going to start off with your 4-ounce mason jar. I really love these because they're great with preserving your natural toothpaste because they have a great seal on them. You're also going to need a half a tablespoon measuring spoon. Now you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I like layering this mixture, so we're actually going to come back to the baking soda after we add in the activated charcoal. Now you're going to add in a tablespoon and a half of activated charcoal. Now you're going to add in another tablespoon of baking soda to the mix. Now you're going to blend the dry ingredients until it's blended as evenly as possible. Now we're going to go in with the organic coconut oil, and you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil. Once you've added in the 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, you're actually going to fold it into the dry ingredients. that you folded the coconut oil into the dry ingredients, you're going to make sure that you mix it until it's completely smooth before we start adding in the essential oils. Now that you've blended that all together, we're going to go in and add 20 drops of the Peppermint Essential Oil. Just so you guys know, I actually have a blog post about this recipe. So if you want to be able to get to it quick and easy, you can just go to www.whattheparent.com and you can just look up the homemade natural toothpaste and you'll find a full description of the ingredients as well as the measurements and instructions. Then you're going to add in 15 drops of the Spearmint Essential Oil. Now I'm adding in 20 drops of Oregano Essential Oil. Then we're going to go in with 15 drops of the Clove Essential Oil. This is the last of the essential oils, and you're going to add in 10 drops of the Cinnamon Essential Oil. Now that you have all your essential oils added in, you want to mix all the ingredients until it's equally distributed and completely smooth. Now that you have everything mixed together smoothly, you can apply this to your toothbrush and brush as normal. I promise you're going to love this. My kids are able to use this also. They don't have any problems. Your breath is going to smell amazing. I've actually used this when I got a tooth removed, and it helped my gums heal up really well. I hope you guys love this mix. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and visit us at the blog. Hey guys, don't forget to follow us on social media at Evolution of Day and our parenting blog at What the Parent, and you can also visit us at www.whattheparent.com, and you can always send us love mail to our P.O. box. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.